I am the source of all abundance. I command everything I desire. Ideas flow to me. People are drawn to me. Opportunities multiply before my eyes. Whatever I focus on grows stronger. Whatever I want comes without resistance. Fucking wonderful. I am the magnet of all good things. Success chases me. Abundance surrounds me. Every breath I take increases my power. Every step I make opens new doors. I pull wealth, power, and greatness to me. Everything I touch turns into gold. My life becomes richer every single day. And it feels fucking wonderful. I am the source